So we found this rock.
Yeah, my wife wanted a bigger garden, and we found this monster rock. And instead of me trying to haul it out of the hole and taking it somewhere, so anyway, the story goes that in this German town, some boulders fell on the road. And all the council people there went on for days and days trying to figure out how they're going to move all these big boulders. It was going to cost a fortune. So while they were trying to do that, a little kid came along and says, you know, you guys, why don't you just dig a big hole, shove the rocks in the hole, and then cover it up? And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to shove this big boulder in the hole that I'm digging, and I'm going to bury it. And that should take care of this big old boulder. Also, it's going to be impossible to move the darn thing.
So much for the history and geography of our land. We're
Yes.
not going to see the rock anymore.
Yeah. Thank you.
I said it's such a beautiful big rock.
Yeah.
We ought to take it out of the hole. We could dig a trench and put wood underneath it and roll it out and put it up by the house and move it to the house as a decoration because it's part of our earth, of our land. But
I can't even move it, so I'm just gonna do like somebody suggested. Just dig a hole in the ground, dump it in the hole, and bury it.
okay, that's our
Here we
story
go.
for the day.